Nice. Yeah, last stop in the US, In and Out. Yeah, mga gang. Hello. Yes. Dere pinakalami na fries guys because ang In and Out fresh gid ang fries dere. So lami gid ang fries dere kay mo ni ang Idaho may number one producer of French fries. Or fries and potato, potato. Yeah.
Yeah, Sporting 3, please.
Wow.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Hi, Reagan. Hi, Reagan.
Oh, friendly kayo? Oh, nice.
Yes, 45, please. Yes, 45. How's it going? Have a good one.
Ayun ang In and Out. Fresh yun kay. Ang ila potato, tanaway lang potato. Freshly sliced, yun yung potato sa ilang fries. Mga nakalindo ang In and Out. Yeah, nakapagkita sa Idaho, number one producer of potatoes. Lami kay fries, dire brad.
I only have this chocolate shake right now. I have this double. You're the three, and you're gonna be getting 51 today. Thank you.
Okay. Double. Animal fries.
Without onions, ramay? May onions na lang?
Chicken fries. Where's fries? Ano to sa fries?
Hanapin nyo. First bite.
Ay, kasi mali na. Sabi, awan nga ni ba sa mukbang awan? Video tabi. Lami. Damay. Lahir lagi yung patatas dari sa Idaho, no?
Yes, 54 and 56, please.
Itong fries, ada bisa kay ikan dari sa Idaho. Palpok na. Okay. Ang lami atong fries kay dili makikita. Idaho State is the number one producer of potatoes. Known gini sila sa ilang potatoes diri sa US.
Lami na, sir?
Ano man doon ng in-and-out?
Animal fries?
Animal fries. Kaya animal fries nila kay murag namin dahil caramelized onions, slice of cheese, oven.
Kami ilas bili asin. Kami ikulawon.
Nato sa dabis lahi. Natay ground beef, caramelized onions, and ato ang specially made na cheese sauce. is as American as you can be. So, kung naman sa Amerika, you're in Idaho or LA, hapit mo. Don't miss eating at In-N-Out. This one is pickled na jalapeno. I don't know, is that jalapeno? Gamay ba? And special thanks to Ma'am Josie Millian for hosting us. And chocolate shake.
Thank you, sir.
Gabi ka take ka. Super rich. Oh, wow. Lami ka ng sili, no? Nakupat. Kupat? Kupa ba? Saan ba ba? Tissue? Kinamot. Karo pa rin ko trador. Napit mo rot. Oh, napay ko, no? Nice salt. You want salt? Dah, kayo mo sa akaan. Dah,
Hindi na nagay. Hindi na garo ko mag-game eh.
Restaurant mo ka. Restaurant mo ka.
Natin free to eat lang sa gym eh.
Okay, thank you.